Hello everyone, this is Mark here with Gulpha Communications, and you're watching another 3CX tutorial. In this video, we're going to be creating a ring group. So we're going to start by clicking on Ring Groups, Add Ring Group. We're going to give it a name, and you can leave it at the default extension, or you can change it. In this example, we're going to keep it the same, and we're going to add some extensions. We're going to give this some ring time, so we can always adjust it. The default's 20, but you can always increase it or lower it. I recommend having a little bit longer, just in case everyone's busy. And you can do it prioritized or ring all. Ring all is probably preferred if you're doing a sales type of ring group, so that way everyone's getting the call at the same time. You can then add a DID number if you wanted to, so people can call the ring group directly, or you can just leave it as is. And then if there's no answer from any of the agents, you can have it forward to the voicemail, or you can have it forward to an extension. There's a variety of options. But in this example, we'll just have it forward to a receptionist to their inbox, so that way there's at least the messages getting delivered. And that is how you create your first ring group on 3CX version 18. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on 3CX by Gulpha Communications. If you're interested in demoing 3CX or want to purchase a license, feel free to reach out to us, info@gulpha.com, or give us a call, 501-760-9290. We offer selling direct for DIY users and hosted VoIP solutions for those that want a turnkey solution.